One of the things that I'm going to be bringing to you guys on this channel is mind map resources. So these mind maps, they look like this, and what they do is they allow you to absorb information and learn in a better and faster way than just getting a lecture or just reading or just watching a video or just doing flashcards. So what I'm doing is I'm building out these mind map resources on a variety of different concepts for technology, things like data analysis, stuff that I talk about on the channel here, and then I'm going to produce these as a resource for you guys to go tap into and get yourself. I went and used Gemini and ChatGPT and just Google in general, and I went and looked at all of the top topics for all the things that I'm teaching here on the channel, and what I did was I found all of the most important concepts that people are trying to learn, and then I made mind maps for them, and then I picked the best ones, and then I'm going to give them to you guys in an easy to use format that you can just step through really quick. I have a couple different options. One of these options is PowerPoint, so we just have an easy way to step through, take your own notes, and just sort of absorb the content within for a bunch of different concepts within. So some of these things are like technology based. They're really focused on like how software can be used. Some of them are focused on like use cases, like what's a certain situation where you might actually do a type of analysis, and like what sort of tools would you actually use for that. And it really just dives deeper into the questions that you might ask when you're learning, and it really tries to hit on some of the content that you might not be getting from traditional means that are being delivered through like your college course or just your course in general, because I think there are a lot of gaps in our understanding and what we get delivered, and then the questions that we still have left over. So I'm trying to use these to bridge the gaps, and I'm going to be making these on a variety of different topics and then providing them throughout the year. So if you like these or you have any suggestions for these, please drop a comment suggesting what you'd like mind maps on, and I'll try to make a resource on it. But overall, I hope this is helpful. Check the links out below to get some of the first ones that I'm releasing. And thanks so much for watching.